Thanks for joining us on HTSN. I'm Storm Team 6 meteorologist Kyle Mounts. As we go through this evening and into the overnight, most of us going to be quiet. We have a cold front slipping now south of Bloomington and Columbus, so overnight will actually increase the clouds, but quiet conditions and temperatures that will remain mild, down to 65 in Indianapolis, starting off the day tomorrow at 62 in Muncie and 67 in Bloomington. All right, we are focusing on the severe potential across much of central Indiana as we look to the middle of the week and your Wednesday. You see there's that slight risk from Lafayette and all areas to the south. We'll be watching a complex of thunderstorms back into the plain states that will be moving into central Indiana pretty early in the day on Wednesday. This is 4:30 in the morning. You see maybe a couple of spotty showers, nothing really to concern ourselves with too much as we go into the very early morning. But then here comes that line of storms as we look to 7 a.m. moving into northwestern portions of the state and in a line that could bring some gusty winds, large hail. Can't rule out isolated tornado activity, but it looks like we could have a couple of rounds of severe weather for us on our Wednesday. Here's 9 a.m. You see it moving through the metro area and then quickly out of the state, but then we start to see more storms already flaring up. The question for the afternoon is exactly how much sunshine are we going to see on Wednesday in between these two waves of rain. The more sunshine we see, the more potential we have for additional severe weather. So as we get to the lunchtime and beyond, you start to see another line of storms between Lafayette and Muncie as we look to 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and that will continue to progress down to the south as we go into the early evening. Our Wednesday severe threats again focused on wind and hail, tornado on the low side, but we could see a couple of isolated tornadoes. Temperatures that will certainly be a little bit cooler as we look around Lafayette and Peru, where you'll see more in the way of rain earlier in the afternoon, a little bit later, and we'll get to 83 in Bloomington, 80 in Indianapolis. Then on Thursday, everything quiets down. In fact, we'll see a good deal of sunshine and a northerly wind at 10 miles per hour. That will hold our temperature to just 77 for the afternoon. 7-day planning forecast shows things pretty nice and quiet through our Friday as well. Sunshine, a high near 80. We'll have a dry Saturday, then some evening storms possible, and that lingers into our Sunday. Highs around 80 for the weekend, 70s Monday and Tuesday.